Hi there, JD here. How are you doing today?
I'm pretty good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm I'm as fit as a fiddle. No complaints so far.
Okay, so do you have an Instagram account or something like that?
I have a YouTube channel, by the way. Brother has channel.
YouTube channel.
Right,
So how
yes,
many
yes, yes.
subscribers?
I have 869 subscribers, like 869.
Uh,
It's kind of beginning.
okay,
Been uploading videos.
okay.
All right, okay.
Which type of do you usually upload in your
Conversational video.
channel?
I upload conversational videos.
Sorry?
I upload conversational videos. Right now we are having
Conversation video.
yeah. So probably this video
Okay,
going to end up in on my channel.
okay, it's pretty good. Like, what's the name of your channel?
Okay. Learn English with
What,
JD. JD. Learn English with JD.
sorry?
Learn English with
What's
JD.
the what's the spelling of lawn?
Learn English with JD.
Learn. Okay,
Yeah.
learn
English
English
with JD. JD. JD, you can see.
with.
JD, you can see on.
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
I will subscribe you after our end of the conversation. So your background is looking pretty good.
Yeah.
Have you edited this or it's real?
And this is, of course, it is an artificial background. I'm using right now laptop, which is very expensive. So I have few features. It looks like real, right? It sounds like, and it
Yeah.
feels like I'm in a jungle. You're not going to see any portrait mode here, right? It's very good.
Okay. So do you have any question for me? So you can ask me.
Yeah. How do you learn? Your pronunciation is up to the mark. Okay. What's your secret of having great pronunciation?
Well, I do know some sort of pronunciation features. Like I do some classes on this, and I know the words like how you should pronounce the word, and I learned this. So this is all about your pronunciation features. Like I got it maybe after 2 to 3 class on YouTube. So that's it. Not that much special, I guess.
Okay. So for me, what would be your recommendation to improve my English?
Well, I guess that your English is pretty much good, but I'd say that you have to be fluent. So, firstly, you should talk more in a right way. Like, if you are talking more in a right way, so it will be very beneficial for you. Like, you can increase your fluency,
Mm-hmm.
and you have to like you can firstly you should upgrade your fluency, and after that you should maybe focus on your pronunciation, and you should use the chunks like I'm using. So these are the things. Like I know that I'm not that much good in English, but you know what, I'm a trying because I'm a teenager. So by the way, how old are you?
I'm old enough to get married.
Okay, I'm only 18.
Okay.
So
18
will
plus.
you invite me? Yes, plus
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Great, great, great. Bro.
Okay, so do you have any other questions?
No, how do you spend your time? I mean, when do you get bored? Okay, how do you get rid of your boredom?
Well, I usually overcome my boredom by using this app because whenever I just feel bored, so I use this app and I meet new peoples, and in that time I can talk with them, I can share my things with them. Apart from this, I would say that I have some fishes in my house. Sometimes I
Mhm.
feed them,
What do you
and
have? I'm
if I
sorry.
have that after that, so maybe I will hang out with my friends,
Mhm.
and I will take a cup of and so
Couple of
it's a
kisses.
pretty
Okay,
great thing.
that's good thing. Yeah, very healthy. Couple of kisses.
Very healthy, very healthy.
Couple of kisses.
Yes, yes.
I do kiss sometimes, but not often, like once in a week. Okay. We don't have to use the
Once
word,
in
okay, because I will be uploading this video on a channel, and YouTube will monitor like your words coming out of your mouth. So kisses is good word.
okay, so I don't have any issue. You
Yeah,
can
that's good
upload
for you. Yeah.
whatever
You're
you
far away from me, You're far away from India, so you're not
want.
going to have any issue, right? Is it good if I'm gonna
Yeah,
speak like that? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
maybe it's harmful, but it relieves you from your mental stress. So for me, it's pretty good.
um, all right, okay, like,
So what about
hmm we are running out of time here.
what?
Can we extend the time? That is
Okay,
main option.
okay. Have any issue? I don't have any issue.
Okay,
We
bye.
can extend it.
How can I?